One morning I woke up and I was in severe pain. My left hip and leg was just in agony. I went to my family physician. He referred me to a neurologist. I went in, we had an MRI. Turned out that I had a herniated disc, which was pinching the sciatic nerve and manifesting itself in my left hip and leg. He recommended I have cortisone shots, which I had 3 of. They did nothing. Next, I went to a physical therapist. Physical therapy, no results. Then one day I heard about the Minnesota Disc Institute. I went in with my wife, we had a consultation. The next day I started, and after 3 sessions with the non-surgical NSD method, I was completely pain-free. Up to that time, I was taking 18 to 20 over-the-counter painkillers a day just to get out of bed, just so I could function, and just so I could try to sleep at night. And as I said, after the 3rd session, I was completely off the painkillers. Well, daily life is much better, where before on a scale of 1 to 10, my pain was an 8, 9, and 10 every day, that being the worst. In fact, one day, I remember driving down the road and the pain was so intense I thought I was going to pass out. Now I'm down at the other end of the scale. You know, I'm a 1, some days a 2, depending upon how fatigued I am because I have a very physical job. There are days where I might take an ibuprofen, but not 18 to 20 like I was taking before. I've had a number of sessions at the Minnesota Disc Institute. I just had a recent MRI and it shows that my herniated disc has shrunk considerably. That, of course, has relieved the pinching of my sciatic nerve, and I very seldom have any pain in my hip or my leg. I am an advocate of it. I pass out brochures. I talk to people that I know have the same problem I had. And the other thing was, my next step was to have surgery. I didn't want to have back surgery. It has a very low success rate, and the probability of having additional back surgery was very high. That wasn't for me. I didn't want that. So Minnesota Disc Institute was the answer. I tell other people my story. A lot of them know my background, know the pain I was going through. I recommend that they go in for a consultation. It doesn't cost anything. And if you find some value in it, I highly recommend that they go.